Equally of grave concern is the daring attempt by the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Barrister Wike, to compromise security agencies, particularly troops of 6th Division Nigerian Army, with hefty financial inducements to help him in his illegitimate act of thwarting a free and fair electoral process to his favor, while at the same time accusing the Nigerian Army and its command hierarchy of being biased daily. Apparently, Governor Wike must have underestimated the Nigerian Army's commitment to being professionally responsive in the discharge of our constitutional roles. Most worrisome and dangerous is the employment of political talks by some desperate politicians to disrupt a legitimate national process for their pecuniary gains. Following a tip-off on attempt by Governor Wike's aides to induce and compromise troops deployed at the CBN Port Harcourt premises, all personnel, Major A.P. Buba and 3 other police personnel, which include DSP Oyoku Ifele, and DSP Oyoku Ifele, for your information, ladies and gentlemen, is the camp commandant, Rivers State Government House. Sergeant Akanu Garba, Inspector Hyacinth Oboy, and Sergeant Inketan Chuks were arrested by a team from this headquarters. Preliminary investigations discovered the sum of 2,250,000 naira in a Range Rover belonging to the DSP, while the officer and his men were manning a checkpoint at Mbiama Bridge. A white Hilux vehicle with a Rivers State government registration number L02-03 RB Rivers and 8 occupants was stopped for a routine search and clearance. A carton and 2 bundles of INEC 2019 presidential election ballot papers were discovered in the vehicle. Preliminary investigation reveals that none of the occupants of the vehicle is an INEC staff, INEC ad hoc staff, or a security agent.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.